Hi class, this is a short tutorial on how to merge your documents into one file. Once you have your files ready and saved under your folder in a Google Drive or G Drive, one thing you could do is go to the New button, and from the drop-down menu you can select More and scroll down to find PDF Mergy. This will take you to a new page where you can actually select your files from your computer or from your Google Drive. In this case, I'm going to choose the Google Drive. So I'm going to go to the folder where I saved my documents. I have my cover letter, reflection letter, personal statement, and email etiquette. So I'm going to choose and select all of them. I press Shift key and then click on each of these documents to select all of them. Click Select and it will list them in that order: cover letter, reflection letter, personal statement, and email etiquette. However, the prompt says that I need to have the reflection letter first, then my personal statement. So I'm just going to drag each of these documents and then move them in the order that I need to have them, and then my cover letter and my email etiquette. Again, reflection letter first, personal statement, cover letter, and email etiquette. Once I have all of them in the order that I need to have them, then I can click on Merge. And what it's doing right now, this application, it's combining all of these documents into one PDF file. Once it's ready, then it asks me where I want to save it. I could save it on my computer or I could save it on the PDF Google Drive. So I'm going to choose the Google Drive. So I'm going to put writing project 3 documents and click OK. Now, once it's safe, I can go back to my document, and there it is. I have all of these together into one file. This is the file that I'm going to save and upload onto Canvas. I hope this was helpful, but let me know if you have any questions.